change my image on the landing page. Yeah, in the hero section, because the top one is called the hero section, and then change the background to the Maven class teaching setting for me. Okay, then I just basically click, right? Because I can see my website. I have some like feedback. I don't like this feature. I don't like that feature. I don't like the settings. Basically you can just talk to your agent. And what this agent can do is gonna go into my code base, figure out what is the hero session, what is my website is about, and then basically finding that image. And then gonna see, okay, this image, okay, I know this image, right? This basically me behind like the TikTok, because I just visited TikTok, ByteDance a couple days ago. I showed my friends, I want to change it, So basically, we're gonna do the same thing here. And then it's gonna utilize a lot of skills, different kind of tools. This is kind of like all building thing for this coding agent, right? From there, and then you're gonna start it to pick up which tool I can use, which skill I can use, and decide from there. And behind the screen, it's also gonna do the validation, because basically gonna test it, right? Sometimes if it's a website, gonna use a browser use, right? I think one of the big thing about nowadays when you are coding, people are manually using the browser, to validate certain thing on the website, validate certain thing on your app, test it, right? So it's kind of like a normal workflow before when you are using the Cloud Coder or any of the coding tools from there. You have to validate those things for your agent and then tell it what is the bug, right? Sometimes you have to go to a backend. Maybe there's a backend bug over there, and you have copied the logs and feed it back to your agent, and then ask it, can you fix this back to me? This thing is being manual. But I think the revolution of the AI coding right now, though all those things should be done by the agent. And the human only need to talk what they want, or figure out or design anything they want from that. And then let the agent understand. And all those executions, all those trials, testing, debugging can be done by the agent. Okay, so this is what I'm demonstrating. And you can see I finished that. It says, okay, let me replace the hero image and push. Also, let me send you a preview or generate image, right? There's some here says the hero image, push it, from that generate image with Gemini, replace that, commit it and push. Should automate it a historic. Okay. Oh, mail some errors over there. That's fine. We can debug that later. And then let's go back to my website. Everything's alive. I hope everything gonna work here. Here we go.